Welcome to the OWR channel. We are a used car dealership in Paris, Texas at 4680 Pine Mill Road. Come on by and see what quality vehicles we have for you at an affordable price, or see our inventory at owr.mycarsonline.com/inventory.
F150 FX2 is highly optioned with several accessories. Fox 2.0 shocks. It's ready for you to enjoy and has financing available. Hard tonneau cover. Fuel brand beast wheels with Toyo Open Country Tires that have little wear. Skid-proof all-steel running boards. Aftermarket grille and HID headlights. Edge engine tuner. Fully operational sunroof. Has navigation and a console shifter. Sony premium sound system. Call OWR at 903-401-8004.